Class Aves. Ornithology is the branches of science which deals with the birds. Nidology is the branches of science which deals with the nests of birds. Huxley called birds are glorified reptiles. Archaeopteryx is a connecting link between reptiles and birds. Paleogignata, Neogignata, flying birds and flightless birds are there. Ratitata and Carinata. Largest flightless bird is ostrich, Struthio camellius. Emu, kiwi, cassowary are flightless birds. Kiwi is the bird of New Zealand. They show discontinuous distribution. Flying birds have bodies covered by feathers. They are quill feathers, condor feathers, nestling down feathers, phylloplum feathers. Wing feather is called as remiges. The quill feather present in the tail is called rectrices. Birds have preen gland or uropygial glands. Birds have no teeth. Beak is do the function of teeth, and gizzard and crop are additional structures. Gizzard act as a grinding mills. Pigeon milk is secreted by crop glands. Birds have sharp vision because of pecten. Cuckoo shows brood parasitism. Dr. Salim Ali is called Birdman of India. His famous book Fall of a Sparrow. BNHS means Bombay Natural Historic Society. The symbol is hornbill. State bird of Kerala, hornbill. Bird shows migration. Arctic terrain shows longest migrations. Swift fastest migration. Hummingbird is smallest bird in the world. Sunbird is the smallest bird in India. Tattekadi is bird sanctuaries. Mangalavanam in Cochin act as a residential area for birds. Birds have syrinx. With help of syrinx they make a high-pitched sounds. The eggs are cleidoid with plenty of yolk. Telolocystal. Right ovary and oviduct are atrophied. Urinary bladder is also absent. Bones are pneumatic, flight muscles are well developed. Pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, coracobranchialis. They are attached to keel or carina. Flight muscles are adapted to keel or carina. They are the masters of the air. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Sunbird is the smallest bird in India. Hummingbird can fly forward and backward. Their bones are pneumatic. Right ovary and oviduct are atrophied. They have the Arctic tern shows longest migratory habits. They show migration to and fro motions. Their eggs are cleidoid with the shell. Nidology is the study of nests. Bird shows migration. Kiwi is the bird of New Zealand. Bones are pneumatic. Urinary bladder absent. Pigeon milk is secreted by crop glands. Pigeon milk is secreted by crop glands. Uropygial gland or preen glands are present. Then internal fertilization is there. They show cloacal kiss. They show sexual dimorphism. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is Pavok status. They are the masters of air. They show perching behavior. They have oil glands. Bones are pneumatic. Air sacs are present. Then they have aerial mode of adaptations. Heart is four-chambered. Warm-blooded organism. They are warm-blooded organism. Epinodites, penguin. Double respiration takes place in birds. The eggs are cleidoid in nature. They have a sharp vision because of pecten. Gizzard act as a grinding mill. Crow, crowus. Columbia, pigeon. Psittacula, parrot. Peacock, pavo, cristatus. Neophron, vulture. Ostrich, Struthio. Epinodites, penguin. Kiwi, a bird of New Zealand.